Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of being woken up by the piercing sunlight every morning? Well, say goodbye to those pesky rays with the Petaholic 100% blackout curtains for bedroom. I've got to say, these curtains are a total game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. The Petaholic blackout curtains are made with high-quality fabrics that have a special silver coating on the back, which blocks 100% of sunlight and UV rays, giving you a dark and cozy sleeping environment. The best part is, you can cut them to any size and shape you need, so they fit perfectly with your window, no gaps or light leaks. When you install them, you'll notice how easy it is. Just measure, cut and connect, and you're done in under 10 minutes. The nano-adhesive stickers are strong and won't leave any residue, so you don't have to worry about damaging your windows. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice for anyone looking for a good night's sleep. One of the things I love about these curtains is how portable and lightweight they are. You can take them with you on holiday or a business trip, and they're easy to set up in any room. The material is soft to the touch and has a smooth texture, and when you close them, you'll notice the sound of the fabric gently gliding into place. They're also great for home, hotel, or office use, and the fact that you can fold them up and take them with you makes them super convenient. Overall, the Petaholic 100% blackout curtains for bedroom are a must-have for anyone who values a good night's sleep, and I highly recommend giving them a try. You won't regret it. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.